Come to Yama Yoga by Nikita Dave. Your heaven for your yoga practice. We commence a journey towards well-being, balance, and inner peace. Yama Yoga's mission is to inspire, guide, and empower the path of yoga. Whether you are a seasoned yogi or just starting your practice, hit the subscribe button and let's embark on the path to wellness, one breath at a time.
नमस्ते एवरीवन, आई एम निकिता। वेलकम टू यामा योगा। सो ये वीडियो हम स्पेशली डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर के लिए, जिन लोगों की 8 से 10 आवर्स की लॉन्ग सिटिंग आवर्स की जॉब होती है। उन लोगों को ज्यादातर ये कंप्लेंट रहती है अबाउट लो बैक पेन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क स्ट्रेस उनको स्ट्रेस और बर्नआउट और एंग्जाइटी फील होती है, विच इज वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल। तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कौन कौन से स्ट्रेचेस है जो आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे करने चाहिए टू गेट रीड ऑफ योर लो बैक पेन। स्टडी ये कहती है कि 48% people are feeling lower back pain, especially corporate people are feeling lower back pain. 40% of people feel burnout on their workplace and 57% people feeling stressed on the workplace because of work. तो ये मेडिटेशन और आसना जो मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ वो अगर आप अपनी डेली रूटीन में इंक्लूड करते हो तो आपको 3 या 4 महीने कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस के बाद डेफिनेटली आपको फायदा लगेगा। डेफिनेटली आपको अपने लोअर बैक पेन में और आपके मेंटल बैलेंस में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा। Rather than wasting too much time in explaining informations, we are directly jumping into the आसन practice. So कौन से आसन और stretches आपको help कर सकते हैं to get rid of lower back pain and upper back pain? Okay, so first आसन we are doing is बालासन. In English we can call it a baby pose or a child pose. So first of all you need to come into वज्रासना। और वज्रासन करते टाइम आप ध्यान ये रखोगे कि आपका पीछे से वी शेप में होना चाहिए पैर। We cannot sit like this. It's a wrong position. It should be like this. चलो, we'll come into the Vajrasan. Our both hands on our knees. We will breathe in, both hands up. Breathe out and try to touch your head to the ground. We'll hold this posture for 10 seconds. 10. Again, breathe in your head up. Breathe out, hands down. One time take a breathe in and out. So next we are doing cat and cow stretch, जिसको हम cat and cow exercise, आप जिम जाते हो तो that will be exercise for your spine. Okay? So ये again upper back pain, lower back pain के लिए beneficial है. You need to come in the dog pose. Now we'll take a breathe in. हम कमर को पूरी तरह से नीचे धकेलने की कोशिश करेंगे और स्पाइन को ऊपर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. 1, 2. We'll do it for the 10 times. चलो, take a breathe in, your head up. Breathe out, head down. 3. Breathe in, your head up. Breathe out, head down. Breathe in, your head up. Breathe out, head down. Then breathe in, your head up. Breathe out, head down. Breathe in, your head up. And relax. One time take a breathe in and out. Next we will do downward facing dog. So that will be beneficial obviously for your lower back pain, but that will strengthen your shoulders as well और hamstring muscle को पूरे stretch करने में आपकी help करेगा. Okay? चलिए, again come into dog position और come into the mountain pose. अभी आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि you will stretch your shoulders as much as you can. वो कैसे कर सकते हैं अपने? तो अपने सर को completely अंदर ले जाने की कोशिश कीजिए like this और shoulder stretch कीजिए. Hold it for 10 seconds. Relax. One time take a breathe in and out. Next we will practice Malasana or garland pose. So uske liye you need to come into the position where Indians go to stool like this. और आपकी upper back ऐसी नहीं रहनी चाहिए. Your upper back should be straight. And then you need to take a namaste pose and hold it for 10 seconds. Straight your upper back, try to push your chest and hold for the 10 seconds. Relax. One time take a breathe in and out. Next we are practicing Markatasana. So for that you need to bend your both knees and your both knees should be together. Open your both hands on shoulder level. And then try to twist your lower back and try to touch your knees to the ground. And your face should be opposite side to the ground. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees towards the sky. Another side down. Breathe out. Hold. And relax. One time take a breathe in and out. And the last asana we are doing is Setu Bandhasan, a breach pose. So again for that you need to bend your both knees. Try to hold your ankles. If you are not able to hold your ankles, so that you can place your hand like this near to the foot. And if you are able to holding the ankles, then it's well and good. Now we will breathe in and try to lift your waist up as much as you can. Your whole body weight should be divided equally between your foot and your shoulder. Breathe in, your waist up. And hold for 10 seconds. Relax. One time take a breathe in and out. Now we will try to meditate for 2 minutes. Close your eyes. हमारे आसपास डिजिटलाइजेशन इतना हो गया है कि हम स्क्रीन के बिना रह नहीं सकते. तो मेडिटेशन एक्चुअली पौना घंटा 1 घंटा तक आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस चाहिए होती है. तो विल स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we can stretch our meditation practice. So first of all you just need to try to concentrate on your breath and sit calmly for 2 minutes. So I hope this video is very useful for you. Wait for the next video. Stay tuned.